Hey everyone, I am back with another video. Today we are going to talk about the critical mistakes that you need to avoid in the QA learning process. As someone who has been in the field for a while, I've seen these mistakes being made time and time again. And I was the one to make them as well. So in this video, I will be sharing my own ways of dealing with these blunders. Hope it will be helpful for you. And before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to AquaCloud to YouTube channel to see more helpful content on testing and QA management from us. Let's start with the first mistake, which is not focusing on the fundamentals. When I first started learning QA, I was so eager to jump into the more complex topics and try out different methodologies. But I quickly realized I didn't have a solid foundation of the fundamentals, which made it difficult for me to keep up with the more advanced topics. So I took a step back and focused on learning the basics, like different types of testing frameworks, the QA process. And once I had a strong understanding of these concepts, I was finally able to build upon my knowledge and tackle more complex topics. The second mistake is overconfidence in yourself and not learning from others. This was something I struggled with a lot when I first started learning QA. I was so confident in my own abilities that I didn't take the time to listen and learn from others. But the truth is, there's always something new to learn, and there's always someone who knows more than you. So I made a conscious effort to seek out mentors and learn from my peers in the QA community. I attended meetups, conferences, joined online forums, reached out to people sometimes directly, and became a member of QA communities. My favorite one is software testing talks at the moment. Why? It has a lot of testing discussions, useful materials. You can basically find it on Reddit and LinkedIn. I'll leave the link below. And through these experiences, I learned a ton and was able to improve my skills significantly. The third mistake is not knowing the basics of QA management. When I first started working as a QA tester, I didn't have much experience with QA management, and it showed. I struggled to keep track of test cases, communicate effectively with the development team, and prioritize issues. But through working closely with my QA manager and taking the time to learn about the different stages of QA process, I was able to develop a solid understanding of QA management. And this allowed me to become a more effective QA tester and contribute more to my team. The fourth mistake is underestimating the importance of bug reports. Bug reports are a crucial part of the QA process. It's essential to take them seriously. When I first started out, I didn't put as much effort into writing clear and concise bug reports as I should have, actually. But I quickly learned that this can cause confusion and delays in the development process. So I made a point to focus on writing detailed bug reports that provided all the necessary information for the development team. What I also started doing recently is doing screen recording while producing test steps and sending it to developers. I was using Capture to do that lately. Why? Because the tool automatically transcribes all of my test steps and save all the info that can be needed, like about my operation system, a browser version, window resolution, console logs. I will leave the link in the description, you can check it out. Trust me, Capture did not only help our team become more efficient, but also improve the overall quality of our software. And that's it for today. Make sure to check out the blog post in the description for the fifth and final mistake and its solution. As always, thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the AquaCloud YouTube channel, and let me know if that video helped you in the comments. See you! Bye!